Hey fellow Fae, welcome to my crib. I needed to give an updated room tour because I have new stuff, things are kind of moved around. So here is my fairy den. So when you walk in, this is the entrance. I have an Inuyasha scroll. That was one of my first animes, so it's always been my favorite. I have my bags and jackets hung up. Here is where I come in. I place my keys, which I made this little like key fob lanyard actually. I think I want to make this wall actual like pictures of me, my friends and family, and then all of the other walls can be like art and stuff. I have some belts hung up here, as well as my horns and keychains and my sunglasses, and it's just where I sit down my stuff once I come in. So you enter and see the cat tree. Come around and I have this mirror with my wings above it. And this is where I have my closet, and over here is where I do my skincare and my makeup, and where I keep my daily jewelry. I also like to keep my cuffs around too on the sides. I have some nail stuff under here. This is where I like to keep my jewelry, my skincare, perfumes, a smisky. I kind of burned the top of this desk, but that's okay. I keep my hairbrush and like other skincare items in here, and on the side I keep makeup and like pencils and stuff that I use for like art, I guess. So I like to mix it in there. So yeah, this is my vanity. I love it so much. It's so pretty. And this is my art wall. I actually got this thrifted. I found this at a thrift store. Like, look how gorgeous this is. It's like actual, it's a really nice painting. Anyway, I made this. My mom gave me this little set of a sun and moon mirror. I found this thrifted. This is some Oron High School Host Club art, dried rose, and root people art. Is this not beautiful? I absolutely love these creatures. They're insane. That's what's on this side. Hey, bookies. I have this scroll up. This was a gift. I'm not sure if this art is from an anime, but my little toy shelf. Let's look into this. Let's deep dive a little. So I have this moss bag that was gifted to me on one of my birthdays. I love this thing. It's just so messy. Here's some Tim Burton characters. I have some calico critters set up, a candle, some Sumiko Gurashi blind box characters. I want to get the rest so freaking bad. I really want Zazu. Here's Tinkerbell. We got a Smisky. We got a little fairy house. We got a Bratz doll, Sucrose, Sayu, some type of Fae, Sailor Moon. We got Ito in the back. I love him. I need to get a frame for him. Yes, this is my little toy shelf that's above my TV. Now let's go to the TV. Here's my TV stand or console. What is this called? I don't know if this has a specific name, but here's what I have on it. Here's what's on my TV stand. I have a mirror back here. This is a tree that's actually like coasters. Each of these are coasters. I have a candle warmer. I have this bowl of rocks and toys and some candy, crystals, another Smisky friend, a jar with some toys like fidget toys and stuff, selenite. I love Hirono. He's so cute. The art style's amazing. The creator just makes these Hirono figures so detailed. I love them so much. I also have this kalimba. This is my cabbage, and I have some jewelry and brooches, pins, stuff like that. This is a mushroom lamp. Over near the window, I have this 666th of July art and some calico critters. And this mouse is using the bathroom. It flushes. We'll just leave her there. We have my window and a spill jar and a frog on a rock over here. Look at him. And a fairy wand. For my bed, I have this lettuce blanket. It's like just a piece of lettuce, and I love the trim of it. My throw pillows are being washed right now, but over here I have this ring light. Here's a stump. It's storage and a stool. This is my baby's cat shelf, and in it, if we look inside, That's her stuffed animal. It's a mini squishmallow. There's really random stuff at the top and all on this bookshelf, honestly. That fairy is actually a lamp. A lot of this is like storage, spell jars. Going to the first shelf is like where I keep a lot of my crystals and witchy books, tarot cards. Here are my Disney fairy books, journals, figures, scrapbooks, coloring books. Down here is mainly storage and magazines for me to scrap with. A little coaster I sewed, and I have other random cute little charms and this troll doll in the back. This I recently got at Five Below, and it just holds some of my jewelry. I'm using it to display a lot of my pins, which I really like because now they can actually be displayed and seen. I have my ear cuffs, other like jewelry pieces. I just made this. It's a candy bracelet that's flowers. And yup, we got some Cat Noir art and Arataki Ito art, Genshin, Miraculous Ladybug. And I have this little frame that I made this little like art. I just put together some scrap pieces, and this was from a blind box. And this is my whole bedroom. Okay, thank you so much for watching, Fellow Fae. I really appreciate you being here. Please like and subscribe if you like fantasy and fashion. Comment anything else you'd like to see from me, and I will fly with you later. Bye!